Europe has a way of surprising travelers. The beautiful streets, the historic buildings, the amazing food, the unforgettable experiences. But there is something many visitors discover after a few days. Europe is not always as easy as it looks in travel photos. The cobblestone streets are beautiful, but not always easy on your feet. The old buildings are charming, but sometimes they come with small elevators, or no elevators at all. And the things you thought you wouldn't need are often the things you wish you had packed. Especially for travelers over 50, the right travel items are not about bringing more things. They are about making your journey more comfortable, safer, and less stressful. In this video, I'll share 15 things experienced travelers always consider packing for a European adventure, and a few of them might surprise you. And if you're preparing for a European adventure, I've also added a few practical travel essentials in the description below that can help make your trip more comfortable and easier to manage. Before we get started, if you enjoy practical travel tips like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every week we share simple ways to help travelers over 50 save money, avoid common travel mistakes, and enjoy more comfortable trips. And if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a like. It lets me know you'd like to see more videos like this. Now, let's get into the first item. Item number 1, comfortable walking shoes. This may seem obvious, but it is probably the most important item on this list. Many European cities are designed for walking. You may spend hours exploring historic neighborhoods, museums, markets, train stations, beautiful old streets. And those charming cobblestones that look wonderful in photos can feel very different after several hours. Experienced travelers don't choose shoes only for style. They choose shoes they can comfortably wear all day. Item number 2, a lightweight day bag. A comfortable day bag can make your entire trip easier. You need something large enough for essentials, but not so heavy that it becomes uncomfortable. A good travel bag can hold your phone, wallet, water bottle, documents, sunglasses, and small items you need throughout the day. The best travel bags are the ones you forget you are carrying. Item number 3, a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated while exploring Europe is more important than many travelers realize. Walking all day, warm weather, busy sightseeing schedules, all of these can quickly lead to fatigue. A reusable water bottle helps you stay prepared. Many European cities also have public water fountains where refilling may be easy. Before we continue, I would love to hear from you. When you travel, what is one item you always pack that you never leave home without? It could be something practical, something for comfort, or even something unusual. Share it in the comments below. I'm always curious what experienced travelers recommend. Item number 4, portable phone charger. Your phone has become one of your most important travel tools. Maps, tickets, translation apps, restaurant reservations, travel information. But a dead battery at the wrong moment can create unnecessary stress. A small portable charger can give you extra confidence during long sightseeing days. Item number 5, printed backup documents. Technology makes travel easier, but experienced travelers know not to depend on it completely. Phones can run out of battery, apps can stop working, internet access is not always guaranteed. Consider keeping copies of important information, travel confirmations, hotel details, emergency contacts, important reservations. A small backup can make a big difference. Item number 6, comfortable compression socks. Long flights, long train rides, long days of walking. Travel often means sitting or standing for longer periods than usual. Compression socks are something many experienced travelers consider, especially for long journeys. They can help support circulation and make long travel days more comfortable. Item number 7, a light scarf or layer. Weather in Europe can change quickly. A morning may feel cool, the afternoon may be warm, a restaurant or train may feel colder than expected. A lightweight scarf or extra layer takes almost no space, but can make your day much more comfortable. Item number 8, a universal travel adapter. Different countries use different plugs, and depending on your itinerary, you may need more than one type of adapter. A universal adapter is especially useful if your trip includes multiple countries. It is one of those small items you appreciate when you need it. Item number 9, a small medicine and health kit. Experienced travelers usually prepare for small problems before they happen. A basic travel health kit can include personal medications, basic pain relief, bandages, any items you personally need. Finding a pharmacy abroad is often possible, but having essentials with you saves time and stress. Item number 10, comfortable travel clothes. Europe is not a place where you need a huge wardrobe. Many experienced travelers focus on comfort, layers, easy combinations, clothes they can wear multiple times. The goal is not bringing more. The goal is feeling good throughout the journey. Item number 11, a small foldable tote bag. This is one of those simple items travelers often appreciate. A foldable tote bag can help when shopping at markets, carrying souvenirs, storing extra items during the day. It takes almost no space in your luggage. Item number 12, noise reduction for travel days. Travel can be exciting, but also exhausting. Airports, flights, busy train stations, crowded cities. A good pair of noise-canceling headphones or earplugs can help create moments of quiet during your journey. Sometimes comfort is simply having a little peace. Item number 13, a small luggage organization system. One of the biggest challenges in European travel is moving between places. Hotels, trains, airports. Experienced travelers make packing easier by organizing their luggage. Packing cubes or simple organization systems can save time every morning. Item number 14, a small security backup. Most European trips are wonderful experiences, but smart travelers still protect their important belongings. Consider having a backup payment method, a secure place for documents, a plan if something gets lost. Preparation creates confidence. Item number 15, patience and flexibility. And finally, the most important thing you can bring to Europe cannot be packed in a suitcase: patience. Because travel rarely goes perfectly. A train may be delayed, a restaurant may be full, a plan may need to change. The travelers who enjoy Europe the most are often the ones who stay flexible. They don't focus only on what went wrong. They focus on the experience. Now we'd love to hear from you. What is one thing you always pack when traveling to Europe? And is there anything you forgot once that you never forgot again? Share your travel wisdom in the comments below. And if you enjoy practical travel advice designed especially for travelers over 50, make sure to subscribe for more travel tips, cruise advice, airline guides, and smarter ways to explore the world. Until next time, safe travels.